Hey guys, it's Steph here with Steph's Adventures and Fab Finds, and we have a quick unboxing to do today. If you've never been to my channel, welcome to my channel. Using my Hermes cup for the first time today, guys. Say cheers. I do an unboxing from time to time, and I like to have a cup of coffee when I do the unboxing. And while I'm cooking dinner, I thought I would go ahead and get to the goodies that came today. So I'm so surprised that all this came today. Wow, Allie, my essay girl, you are right on time. Let's see, this one is from Coach. And I'm not going to go in great detail on it. I'm going to actually link to and refer to some of the other videos that have already been done on, as a matter of fact, both of these handbags. I can tell you what I can tell you about them really quickly. So I don't burn my dinner. Yeah, because that's an issue. But, anyway, this is my Louis box, and I am butchering it. Okay. I'm sorry, guys. This is the Louis. So, let's go ahead and get the Louis done. And I will probably come back and do a part 2 or a separate one for the, Coach bag. So this is, I've been waiting for this. This is, I don't know if the Christmas piece came or not. I just know that this is the hardest box I've ever tried to get. Okay. Like I said, one of these steps. Louis Vuitton. Thank you very much. Okay. Here we go. Oh God, yes. Let's see, put this one to the side. Okay, yeah, this is probably just the 2 pieces. Then that, unless there's our paperwork, a little envelope with the paperwork in it, and that's that. We'll put our box over here on the side. Make those out of the way. And take a look at the okay. So, this piece I'm gonna open it first because I think I know what it is, but I need to make sure everything's a-okay with it because I'll probably gift it in a few minutes. I am not good at buying Christmas and putting it up until Christmas. I'm like, you're gonna get a card for Christmas because this is it. So, and I'm very excited about this. I can't wait for him to see it. So, if he'll be just be patient with me a few minutes. He's got some goodness on the way. This is the multi-wallet in Epi leather. It's black. It has LV stamped here. And it's very discreet. It has Louis Vuitton printed pairs here. It's got umpteenth card slots. It's got 2 bill pouch compartments. So this is like your mega wallet. Love it. Love it. So let me get this to him here in just a minute in his dinner. So let's get this unboxing out of the way. The next piece that we got is, if you watched my past videos, you know how crazy I am about these bags. And so this one is no surprise to you whatsoever. And I think I only have 1 or 2 more to add to my collection to complete my collection on these. And that's a little tissue, lovely little box with magnetic closure. Louis Vuitton dust bag. You have a gift card. I just get my blank on the little thingamajiggy. And here we go, here we go. Ready? And I hope I'm gonna get, okay. I can't wait, I can't wait. It is gorgeous. It is gorgeous, and it is just perfect. It is just darling. This is just perfect. It is the double zip Pochette in the Bicolor. It has her name, a double zip closure. It has a black strap. It comes with 2 tags to help authenticate the bag. It has a black microfiber interior. It has a pocket here. It has a pocket between the pockets that's an open pocket that's leather. And it's just black leather. And then there again, another microfiber interior pocket. You have on the back wall here, printed in gold, Louis Vuitton Paris. And you have a 6 card slot card holder in leather. And then you've got a card pocket here that is leather and then microfiber on the wall. And so it is just a fun loving, go anywhere, anytime, dress up, dress down, go anywhere, do anything, hold everything, a handbag. And I am so pleased to add this one to the family. When I got the one in the black empreinte leather, I said that I didn't need this one. I didn't need both of them because that's kind of, but no. I saw my sister with a bag in the Bicolor, and I just fell in love with it, and I said, oh no, it is not the same thing. So I would definitely have to when I got the opportunity to get that bag. And so I wanted to get it before the price increase in case the price increase hit. And has an adjustable strap. And so I wanted to try to get it before the price increase. And this is it worn as crossbody. It's good for me. It's good on me. I may adjust a little bit, but pretty much I think that this is a good size for me. And as you can see, it goes everything. So I'm real excited and happy about bringing this sweetheart home to the family. You can see here, and she seems to be a beauty too. She's well done. There's black leather piping, and you can see that there's literally 2 pouches that are attached, and she will stand up on her own. So that's my beautiful goodness and beautiful unboxing for today. Like I said, let me get the boyfriend his dinner and get the soups ready to go. And this is my hand for comparison, to show you, how big the bag is and that your phone definitely will fit in the bag. I generally put my phone in the middle and everything else on the other sides, and it helps to keep me organized. They fit down in bigger bags, and that bag is just gorgeous, y'all. I am in bag heaven. Wherever you are in the world, I hope that peace and love finds you, and I hope that you have all that you ever dreamed of. And I'll see you guys on the next unboxing. Thank you very much.